Welcome to Nanaimo, British Columbia. This vibrant harbor comes to life in the summer months with plenty of float plane action to satisfy the palate of almost any hardcore round-engine aviation enthusiast. Back in the summer of 2017, I had the opportunity to visit this fabulous location to film this short video visit for JetFlix TV. I think you'll agree that the abundance of Beaver and Otter action makes this a must-visit destination for anybody anticipating a visit to Vancouver Island.
We're actually standing on a dock that's next door to the seaplane base. It's where locals attempt to catch king crabs by throwing chunks of chicken over into the water.
Right. Now, for the aviation enthusiast, when is the good time? What are the best time of days for spotting here?
I couldn't truthfully say if it's that much difference, because it's clearly, when it comes to seaplanes, down to demand on the day. But in order to take full advantage of the sunshine, later in the afternoon is clearly better.
Right. So you enjoy this spot very much?
Enjoy it? I love it.
Okay, thank you, Ron.
Pleasure.
give me a like, perhaps a thumbs up, a comment. That would be very much appreciated. And feel free to check out other videos here on my YouTube channel. Also, if you're a fan of airline videos, why not take advantage of the 7 free video promotion I have going on right now on JetFlix TV. There's a click out in the upper right-hand corner. Check it out. You can watch some very cool movies for completely free, no obligation, and it gives you a chance to check out JetFlix TV. Thank you very much. Happy viewing, happy spotting, and we'll see everybody on the next video.